Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we'll guide you through the actual clutch replacement process, from disassembly to installation and final testing. Let's get your truck back on the road. Disconnecting the battery and preparing the truck. Before touching the clutch, eliminate electrical risks. A trailer truck's battery packs enough power to cause serious harm. Here's how to start safely. Disconnect the battery. Secure the truck. Prep the workspace. With the truck stable and power disconnected, you're ready for the heavy lifting. Removing the transmission. This is where muscle meets technique. The transmission is bulky, so plan each move carefully to avoid injuries or damage. Drain the transmission fluid if needed. Disconnect linkages and wiring. Support the transmission. Unbolt the transmission. Lower the transmission. Now you've got clear access to the clutch assembly. Accessing and unbolting the clutch assembly. The clutch hides behind the flywheel held by the pressure plate. One wrong move here can warp components, so work methodically. Inspect before disassembly. Unbolt the pressure plate. Remove the clutch disc and flywheel. Check the pilot and release bearings. With the old clutch out, you're set for the next step, installing the new one. Double-check every part before moving forward. A clean workspace and organized tools speed up the whole process. Installing the new clutch. Now that the old clutch is out, it's time to fit the new one. Precision matters here. Every component must align perfectly to avoid premature wear or failure. Follow these steps carefully for a smooth installation. Aligning the clutch disc. Getting the clutch disc centered ensures smooth engagement and prevents grinding. This is where the clutch alignment tool earns its keep. Place the clutch disc against the flywheel with the friction side facing out. Insert the alignment tool through the clutch disc and into the pilot bearing. Adjust until snug. Without proper alignment, the transmission won't slide back into place. Take your time here. It's the foundation for everything else, securing the pressure plate and flywheel. The pressure plate clamps the clutch disc to the flywheel. Tighten it wrong and you'll warp components or create uneven pressure. Hand tighten bolts first. Torque in stages. Double-check alignment. Pro tip, use thread locker on the pressure plate bolts. Vibration can loosen them over time. Reattaching the transmission. This is the moment of truth, getting the transmission to slide back without force. Lift the transmission into place. Guide the input shaft. Rotate the output shaft. Bolt the bell housing. Don't forget to reconnect shift linkages, wiring and refill transmission fluid before testing. One missed step here could mean pulling everything apart again. Testing and adjusting the new clutch. Installing the new clutch is just the beginning. The real test comes when you fire up the engine and take it for a spin. A poorly adjusted clutch can feel sluggish or even fail prematurely. Let's make sure everything works as it should. Initial test drive and observations. First things first, start the truck and press the clutch pedal a few times. Does it feel consistent? Listen for odd noises like squeaks or grinding. Now take it for a short drive in a safe, open area. Here's what to watch for. Smooth engagement. No unusual noises. Easy gear shifts. Pay attention to pedal feel too. A soft or stiff pedal often indicates hydraulic issues or improper adjustment. Fine-tuning the clutch pedal. If things don't feel right, don't panic. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Here's how to adjust the pedal free play for optimal performance. Check free play. Adjust the linkage or slave cylinder. Test again. Too much free play causes slow disengagement. Too little can wear out the release bearing fast. Find that sweet spot where shifts are smooth and the pedal feels natural. Once it's dialed in, you're good to go. A well-adjusted clutch means fewer headaches down the road and more miles of reliable hauling. Replacing a faulty clutch in a trailer truck demands attention to detail, patience, and solid mechanical know-how. You've learned the warning signs, grinding noises, slipping gears, and a spongy pedal. That signal it's time for a replacement. The process isn't quick, but with the right tools and methodical steps, it's doable. Safety always comes first. Secure the truck, disconnect the battery, and use heavy-duty supports. Missteps here can lead to injuries or costly mistakes. Precision matters when aligning the new clutch and torquing bolts. A rushed job risks premature failure. If any part feels beyond your comfort zone, call a professional. A clutch replacement isn't the time for guesswork. Once done right, your truck will run smoother and last longer. Regular checks and mindful driving can extend your clutch's life, saving you from another overhaul anytime soon. Got questions or tips from your own experience? Drop them in the comments. Sharing knowledge keeps the road safer for everyone. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.